My son.
Okay.
He hasn't taken his meds.
Okay.
Tonight, threatened me with knives.
Okay. And when you say he threatened you, what exactly did he say?
I don't remember. He just went like this all the time.
Dylan? Dylan? Can you hear me? Hey. Buddy, I can barely hear you, to be honest. You don't need to open the door, but if you could just come a little bit closer to the door so I could hear you.
But it kind of looks like he came over to like try to put me under arrest. The guy didn't do anything.
No,
I
we
don't
just
need to leave the house.
people are just calling verbal
Okay,
arguments all night
next
long.
door. Fuck it, everything's good.
Hey,
Yeah.
one more thing.
Yeah, oh, also, they said, Chase, we come on again. Don't tell me to leave this hospital.
Yeah.
It's in the backyard, but you go first. Tell me what's going on.
Dylan, can I just ask one more question? Would you mind just would you just show me you don't have any other knives or nothing on you? Just because your dad said it was something about knives, so we're all freaked out about him, honestly.
Okay.
We're all nervous about him, so
I
hope
don't
you can understand. All right. Would
I'm
you
also waiting to pardon myself with friends coming over me.
would you like to sit down and talk?
I don't want to walk past in case this looks like something weird, aggressive towards me. I'm not going to.
Are you worried about the door?
Yeah, I kind of am.
You want me to close the door? Would it make you feel better if I close that door?
Yeah, but another thing.
Buddy, we'll close the door right now. Look,
Also,
my partner's closing
I'm
it.
supposed to jack off, so they don't know if I'm get it straight. So remember, the first time you came in, I can tell you again, like, a lot of people know, yeah, this is my house.
Okay.
You came in.
Voices or anything right now?
What?
Are you hearing any voices or anything right now?
No, I'm not. All I know is Kennedy was like, I don't know, he was going to attack me. I got scared and showed him I was really sick with it. Yeah.
Are these cloves?
Yeah.
Oh, double diamond.
That's how hard it's being, Mason. So you're in space, it was talk something. Somebody creature. Yes? Is it even significant? I'm a local, by the way. That's why I said I thought you learned a lot of miles.
Mm-hmm.
Any boys, it's good. Girls, I'm already mean, man. But yes, he kind of beat me too. He's a girl, but I ain't someone to like say I live in that room with no interruptions. With the way he's banging on my door, scared shit.
Right.
Okay, so we're here. Just pretend you're talking to me, waiting for the doctor to come or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Like he's gonna say it to you. I just woke up.
Mm-hmm.
I got Final Fantasy on the room. I got just supposed to say, give me a leader in charge. Then I crush it. Fucking crush. Look at it. Make sure it's good. All I know is it's supposed to be a door shut, 4.5 years. I'm so offended. So.
Hey, Dylan.
Hey, you told you to put me under arrest? That's a straight.
Buddy, you're not going to go under arrest. Don't worry about that. I promise you.
Yeah, okay.
You're not going to be under arrest.
Alright, yeah.
I promise you.
Thank you very much. Sure. The guard for your. Is Kimberly okay? Now he looks normal again. Since I'm mental, it's legal. I didn't do anything.
Holy crap, that's a lot of bills, man. Those are all the ones you're supposed to take today?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord. I want to stand out for myself. I want to say I stay in my life because I make my life. Boys make me excited. Kim's kind of studying them. You might hear like girls, yeah. That's kind of like, you know, they jack off and say, gay is straight, bisexual. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to take Dylan's word for it. He's here with the police. They always came by. But it wasn't to put under arrest. It's to make sure we're comfortable here. Can you talk to Kimberly for me? Just ask me to do the same thing with everything. Okay?
I will talk to him.
Alright.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
Can we come out of this room? Can we go out of this room?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you why.
No. Actually, it's safe here, pal.
I don't like this room. Here's why. You got all sorts of knives and other paraphernalia lying around here. It's making me a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. It's kind of
Oh, I'm
scaring me.
nervous too.
It's kind of scaring me a little bit. If we could go out of here, it'd make me feel way better, to be honest with you, buddy.
I don't think I have to go because I'm innocent. And that's illegal to kidnap someone. Why would you kidnap me?
Buddy, we're not going to go anywhere. I'm just saying, can we just
Come
walk
on,
out of this
what am I
room?
thinking?
Can we go back in the living room? Is that okay?
No, I don't think I love that.
Dylan, please, buddy, you've been so cool just a second.
Come on.
I let you touch my badge, man. You remember that? I let you touch my badge.
Yeah.
That was the spirit of honor. You said it yourself.
I know, they just cracked my back on doing that for me. Hey, talk to Kimberly, because he's the judge to stand down. If not, he's under arrest. That's what I'm supposed to say. Don't want his guy. I love you. That's all I'm supposed to say.
So can we go out back in the living room?
You can, but I'm gonna go to sleep. If I never calls you on me. Okay, but everything's cool now. And I'll pay you respect after, sir. As much as your toes get, I'll get more for you, okay?
Yeah, no, that sounds
All
good, buddy.
right.
That
Just
sounds
tell me
good.
how I'm doing,
Don't go nowhere, though, okay?
Kimberly, he tried to beat me up.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hey, can we go outside and talk to the ambulance, bro?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
You can.
They're here.
Go back to sleep.
Can you come with me?
I'm not supposed to.
Hey,
Hey,
joking,
Kimberly, can you stand down and tell him what the Richter scale is? Richter scale ratio. Supposed to say.
I will get the name.
He's gonna go with the ambulance.
Polygraph.
No, the ambulance is already here. He's gonna go with the
Hey,
ambulance.
Kimberly, you broke the law. He goes to jail. I'm in court, dude. I'm in
Dylan,
court.
listen, buddy, we
Just
gotta go
listen.
talk to the ambulance, okay? Can we go outside and
You
talk
do.
to the
I
ambulance?
don't have to talk to him.
Dylan, please, buddy. I don't want to.
No, I don't want to do nothing either. Do you see what I'm saying?
Dylan, please, man.
Oh, come on. It's a benefit too.
It would really help me on that.
Come on, dude. I know, but I'm going to have to talk to you guys after. That's why. If it's serious shit, it is, but if it's just like nothing to fool around with, if not, it's right. Because Dylan's being himself.
All right, come on over here, buddy. Let's go outside. Can we talk?
No.
Hey, relax. Please. Buddy,
No.
please.
No.
Dylan, come on. Come on, man. Hey, whoa.
Hey, come on.
Hey. Dylan, stop. Dylan. That was a gunshot. Dylan. He grabbed a knife.
You okay?
Dylan, listen, buddy, we gotta put a tourniquet on your neck, okay? Let me see. On your face. It's okay. Look at the knife. It's okay. Come here. Watch out for the knife. Come on.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got a glove on.
Okay.
He cut me a little bit.
Are you okay?
Dylan. What else did we put? Yeah, they're in my pocket. Can we move them away? There's a knife under my foot.